Drones are taking to the skies in Utah, not for breathtaking aerial photography, but to combat a much more pressing issue: mosquitoes. Yes, you heard that right. While many of us are busy capturing stunning sunset views with our DJI Mavics, the Mosquito Abatement District in Salt Lake City is deploying advanced drones to spray a special mosquito-killing solution over wetlands, effectively keeping the West Nile virus at bay. This innovative use of technology is not just fascinating. It plays a crucial role in safeguarding the health of humans, horses, and even your neighbor's notoriously unfriendly cat. Let's explore how these drones are making a significant impact in the fight against mosquitoes, and why this matters to all of us who are passionate about drone technology. Drones targeting mosquitoes with precision. Imagine this scene. It's a bright Friday morning near Salt Lake City International Airport, and Sam Wilson is piloting a drone equipped with Natular G30, a larvicide specifically designed to eliminate mosquito larvae. With Brad Sorensen assisting by filling the drone's tank with the solution, they are all set to begin their mission. The Salt Lake Mosquito Abatement District is utilizing these high-tech drones to spray over wetlands, targeting mosquito larvae before they mature into the pesky insects we all dread. Ari Faraji, the head of the district, refers to this method as high-tech mosquito control. And he's absolutely right, as reported by KSL. These drones operate like the Terminators of the insect world, accurately identifying and treating mosquito breeding sites. Mosquitoes are not just a nuisance. They pose serious health risks. A West Nile virus, which is transmitted by these tiny creatures, can lead to severe health issues in humans, birds, and horses, causing symptoms such as headaches, body aches, and in some cases more severe complications. In Utah, the virus has been detected in various mosquito pools, with Davis County testing 2,585 pools and discovering 11 that tested positive for West Nile. While there haven't been any human cases reported since August 2, 2025, the threat remains significant. Drones allow the team to navigate challenging wetland areas without the need to wade through mud or risk mosquito bites. This approach is not only smart and safe, but also makes you want to give a high five to your DJI controller for being part of such an important initiative. Why mosquitoes are considered public enemy number one. Mosquitoes have been around for an astonishingly long time, dating back to the era of dinosaurs, over hundreds of millions of years. With more than 3,600 species, these pests have mastered the art of survival. The West Nile virus was first identified in the United States in 1999 and made its way to Utah in 2003, spreading through bites from infected mosquitoes. While many people may not exhibit symptoms, others can experience a range of unpleasant effects, including fever, joint pain, and gastrointestinal issues. In northern Utah, the virus has been detected in mosquito pools, particularly in Davis County, where a staggering 33,059 mosquitoes were tested in just 1 week, resulting in 8 positive pools. The Salt Lake team isn't solely relying on drones for their mosquito control efforts. They also provide mosquito fish, small fish that feed on mosquito larvae in ponds, free of charge to local residents. However, drones are the standout heroes in this scenario, effectively spraying Natular G30 over hard-to-reach wetlands. Unlike traditional methods such as trucks or backpack sprayers, drones can target specific areas without disrupting the surrounding environment. It's akin to replacing a sledgehammer with a precision scalpel. As the threat of the virus looms, this technology is proving to be a game-changer in ensuring community safety. Drones, pioneering the future of pest control. Now, here's where it gets really exciting for all of us drone enthusiasts. The same technology we use for capturing stunning aerial shots is now being harnessed to save lives. These mosquito-fighting drones, likely modified versions of popular DJI models, are demonstrating the incredible potential of our favorite gadgets, beyond just creating captivating YouTube videos. The precision, range, and ability to navigate difficult terrains are qualities we admire in our Mavics and Phantoms. Utah is showcasing that drones are not merely toys. They are powerful tools for addressing real-world challenges. But let's broaden our perspective. This initiative isn't just about eliminating mosquitoes in Utah. Imagine the possibilities. Drones could be deployed to spray larvicide in flood-prone areas, monitor invasive species, or even deliver vaccines to remote locations. The technology is already available. Think autonomous flight, real-time cameras, and advanced payload systems. It's as if our DJI gear has matured and taken on a role in making the world a better place. While mosquitoes may be a nuisance, witnessing drones effectively combat them fills me with pride as a pilot. We are part of something much larger, my friends. My perspective: drones as unsung heroes. A UAV pilot who has dedicated countless hours to capturing the perfect shot. I am genuinely thrilled to see drones being utilized for such noble purposes. This project in Utah resonates with me because it highlights how our hobby can contribute positively to society. Mosquitoes are not just a minor annoyance in our backyards. They represent a significant health risk, and drones are stepping up to the challenge like true superheroes. I admire the Salt Lake team for employing technology that we are familiar with to protect the community. It serves as a powerful reminder that every time we fly responsibly, we are showcasing the potential of drones to make a difference. However, here's the intriguing part. This initiative could pave the way for further innovations in drone technology. The same systems that are currently spraying Natural G30 could be adapted to combat other pests or monitor wildlife populations. Who knows, we might even see DJI introduce a Mosquito Slayer edition, equipped with built-in larvicide tanks in the future. What I do know is that projects like this inspire me to continue flying, experimenting, and advocating for drones to be recognized as forces for good. So the next time you're out flying your Mavic 4, take a moment to appreciate those Utah drones that are saving the day, one mosquito at a time. Photographs, courtesy of Salt Lake City Mosquito Abatement District. http://cmadutah.gov. Discover more from dronexl.co. Subscribe to receive the latest updates directly to your email.